Today, I'm gonna show you how to take this ham and carry it to a whole nother level. I'm gonna show you a recipe for a double smoked holiday ham that is smoky, sweet, and a little bit of spice. It's simple, easy. When you try it, you'll fall in love with it. All that being stated, let's get to prepping so we can cook it. Come on.
So what I hear is about 10 pound smoked ham, but this is a shank ham. What that means is not been pre-sliced. I like this one. We can do a lot more stuff with it. But what I've got here is a cooling rack with a rack on top of it, wrapped in tinfoil. But right now, just kind of put some flavor on top of this, put some good color, and get this bad boy on the smoker. So to do that, we're gonna take some duck fat here, and I'm gonna do this, just kind of coat it down good. I'm gonna get some Heath Riles, some sweet rub here, and this is mainly just for a bunch of color. You know, I don't do a lot of binders, but this thing's already cooked, so I need to do something other kind of get everything stick to it. So like I said, I want to smoke this, I get internal temperature of 140, 145 degrees. To do that, I'm doing this with my Recteq at 250 degrees. But to monitor my temperature, I'm gonna use this ThermoPro Temp Spike Plus. I love this program. It's a single probe. It's got a thinner probe to go inside it. I really love about this. I don't want to get it around my bone. I want to get kind of halfway in between it and just push it in. We're gonna go. That's right now, my target temperature is 140 degrees. Internal temperature is 41. We put it on a smoker, it give me my time in the smoker, my temperature, so I can control everything. So I got it seasoned up. I'm gonna carry this outside. Let's go put this bad boy in the smoker. Come on. So I'm smoking my Recteq at 250 degrees. I basically want to just get this thing up to temperature about 140, 145 degrees. At that point, we can go back and put our glaze on it, and this is where the smoke will come into play. It'll start binding to our glaze. So I'm put off my glaze on. I'm gonna show you something real quick. I've got my tinfoil here because my ham is so big. I take my tinfoil and kind of fold them together and crimp them that way. So I'm gonna do that way and wrap it up very well. Wrap this. Just do like this. So I'll start putting my glaze on. First thing I do is some honey. Honey on it. Then we'll go across top of that with some loose hog. This is raspberry chipotle. Then I'm gonna go here with some Heath Riles barbecue glaze. This is cherry apple habanero. So now I got my tinfoil I folded a few times and made a good seal to it, wrapped up tight. Now all my moisture will stay inside here. I'll put it back in the smoker. What I'll do now is I'll change my target temperature from 140, which is what it is right now, 150. About 30 minutes, so it should be good glaze there. All right, it's there. See right here, pull it off right now. It says 151. Pull it off. So as you see, I took tinfoil off, pulled it out, and got on the counter. What I want to do now is stop the cooking process. That's the reason I'm taking tinfoil off. Once it quits steaming, I'll kind of loosely wrap it up with tinfoil. I'll put it back inside in a warm box, Cambro, or cooler. I'll go about another hour to slice it up. So I would slice up this shank ham. Boy, it looks good, don't it? Yeah, meet you inside.
Tell you what, these little ThermoPro Temp Spike Plus, very impressed with it. Now I got my ham. I'm gonna show you how I carved the holiday ham. Number one, you got this shank going across here this way. I want to follow the bone so you can get some good slices. Just like that. Now my bone is right here. I'm gonna come on this side here and follow my bone down this side. Like that. Now I normally would do this the other direction and follow my bone down this side. I'm gonna pick it up. First I'll slice this end off right here. A little bit of a dry piece. Now you got the perfect slices here. That's how I carve shank ham here. And then you can use this for dipping sauce also. You can put the rest of it on here and use it kind of as a glaze. Cheers. And there you have it, the recipe for the perfect holiday ham. A smoky, juicy, sweet with a little bit of spice to it. It's the perfect holiday ham. If you like this video, do us a favor, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this ham. What's your favorite glaze for your holiday ham? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now it's time to say the blessing, go inside to eat. First, let's see what Dolly and Lucy think. Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, I know you'll fall in love with it. Now say the blessing. Lord, bless the food back to see. Y'all, this is good. Check it out. See you next time.